Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about decimals, and the topics we are going to discuss in this video are like and unlike decimals, conversion of unlike decimals to like decimals, and ordering of decimals. So let's start from like and unlike decimals. Just as we have like and unlike fractions, we also have like and unlike decimals. So how to know that one? When the decimal number have the same number of decimal places. Okay, when the number having same number of decimal places, they are called like decimals. Okay, look at here are some example. First one, 0.3, 1.6, 23.7, 103.8. In all these cases, the decimal place is only one, and that is tenth. Okay, the decimal place for all these is tenth, so we can say that all these are like decimals. Okay, just you have to compare the number of decimal places present in each number. Okay, if it is same, they are like decimal. If they are not same, they are unlike decimal. Okay, come to one more example. So here it is 0.45, 1.34, 12.67, 189.78. In all these cases, the decimal places are same. That is, in each it contains two digits, and first digit is tenth and second digit is hundredth. Okay, second digit is hundredths. So we can say that all these are containing same number of decimal places, so we can say that all these are like decimals. Okay, here is one more example. In here 0.123, 1 point, sorry, it is point. Okay, this it is point 0.123, so 1.567, 23.456 and 456.234. in all these cases it is contain 3 digit after the decimal point, that is 1000 place. Okay, so we can say that all these are like fractions. Next, move to unlike fractions. When the decimal number have different number of decimal places. Okay, when they are same, that is containing either maybe 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit or 4 digit, then we can say that they are like decimal. If they contain different number of decimal places, then you can say that they are unlike decimals. Okay, come to an example. For example, 0.34, 23.6, 125.786. In all these cases, the number of decimal places. Okay, the number of decimal places in the first case it contain, okay, it is up to 100 place. In second it is 10th place, and in third one it is 1000 place. First contain 2 digit after the decimal place, second contain 1 digit after the decimal place, and third number contain 3 digit after the decimal place. So we can say that all these three number contain different number of decimal places, so we can say that they are unlike decimals. Okay, next move to conversion of unlike decimals to like decimal. Here we will discuss how to convert unlike decimal to like decimal. It is very simple. When we can convert an unlike decimal to like decimal without changing its value. Okay, the value remains same. Just what to do? We have to put extra zeros. Okay, extra zeros to the right of the decimal part. Okay, just we have to put extra zero of the to the right of the decimal to get like fraction. Okay, without changing the value of that number. Convert 3.5, 12.67, okay, 2.435 and 78.02 to like decimal. Here all these four number contain different number of decimal places, so we have to convert them to equal number to get like decimals. Okay, so here's the solution. First, here in first one it contain 3.5 has only one decimal place, then second and okay 12.67 and 78.02 have two decimal place, and 2.435 has three decimal place. So we have to check the maximum number of decimal place. Okay, in all this number we can say that this number, okay, 2.435 contain three decimal places, which is the maximum. from rest of the all. So we have to convert each one, okay, each number to the decimal place up to 3. Clear? By adding 0 to the right side of that number, okay. So they can be converted to like fraction with 3 decimal places, okay, each. So 3.5 changes to, just we have to add 0 to the right side of the decimal place, so it becomes 3.500, okay. As we are adding 0, so we have to write in this way. 12.67 becomes 12.670, okay. As here the maximum number of decimal place is 3, because of that reason we are converting each number to maximum decimal place, that is 3. 78.02 changes to 78.020, okay, and it's already in 3 decimal places, so no need to change that one, okay. Now you can say that 3.500, 12.670, 2.435 and 78.020, all these are like fraction. Here we can see that in all these number the decimal places are 3, so we can say that all these are like fractions, sorry, like decimals. Ordering of decimals. Next we will discuss ordering of decimal. Means here we will discuss how to compare two decimals. As you compare the whole number, okay, decimal number can also be compared in the same way, okay. If we are writing 25 and 35, if we compare these two numbers, we can say that, okay, 35 is greater than 25, so 25 is less than 35. In this way you can compare the decimal also, okay, as you have already discussed how to compare this number in our first chapter. So here we will discuss comparison of decimals, okay. But it should always keep in mind that first we have to convert the unlike decimals to like decimal. If it is in like decimal, no need to change. If it is not in the form of like decimal, you have to convert that to like decimals, okay. First step is convert the given decimal number to like decimal, as I have already told. Second step, compare the whole part, okay. The digit or the number present to the left side of decimal point is known as whole part, and we have to compare that one. The decimal number with the bigger whole part is the greater number, okay. The decimal part, the number which contain the whole part is greater, that number is greater, okay. Third one, if the whole part are equal, okay, if the whole part of the number are equal, then compare the first digit after the decimal point to the right side, that is 10th part, okay. We have to compare the 10th part. The decimal number with bigger digit in the 10th place is greater. Similarly, that one we have to compare the 10th place digit. The digit which is greater, the digit present in greater part, okay, that number is greater. Last step is, if the 10th digit is same, then we have to move to the next digit, that is the 100th place digit, okay. The digit present in the number which is greater the number present in that digit is greater. If it is same, then we have to move to the 1000th place. If it is also same, then we have to move to the 10,000th place, okay. In this way you have to compare digit wise from left side, and we have to move towards right side. So here is an example. Compare the following decimals: 2.156 and 2.15, okay. As you can see that here these two are unlike decimals, so we have to convert these to like decimal first, okay. Solution: convert the given decimal to like decimal, okay. So for that we have to check the maximum decimal places. It contains 3 and it contains 2, so we have to convert the second one to the decimal places having 3 digit, okay. So it becomes 2.150. As we know that we have to add just 0 to the right side of the decimal number, okay. So it becomes 2.150. Next, here we have 2.156 and 2.150. Here we got two like decimals. First step completed. Move to second one. Compare the whole part. Here the whole part means in both the numbers it contains 2 in the whole part, which is equal. We can say that 2 equal to 2. Same. Move to the second one. compare the 10th place digit. Okay, compare the 10th place digit. Here in 10th place digit is 1. We have to compare 10th place digit and both are same, that is you can say that 1 equal to 1. Next move to another one, that is the 100th place digit. It is 5 and 5. Again we get here both are same, 5 equal to 5. Next what to do, we have to move to the last places, that is 1000 place. By comparing the 1000 place, we get here in the first number it is 6 and in the second number it is 0. 6 is greater than 0, so we can say that first number, this number is greater than second number. Okay, so we can say that first number 2.156 is greater than 2.150. Okay, that's all. Thank you.